Hi, this is Cassie Nowak, and I am so excited today to share with you an extension called Cami that will help you take your packets of PDF worksheets and tweak them so that they're useful for your students in a digital atmosphere. So this is a really cool and useful extension. And as I go through these lessons, you're going to learn how to get the Cami extension. And then I'm going to show you how you can take your packet of PDF worksheets and then you can pick and choose and make them usable by your students. And then I'm going to show you how you can assign them in Google Classroom. And then I'm going to show you how to train your students to use the Cami extension. Plus, I have an extra video made just for your students that you can share with them. And then finally, I am going to show you how you can check your students' work. So stay tuned to learn all of this stuff and see how you can use it with your students. The first thing you're going to want to do is get the Cami extension. So in a new tab in Google Chrome, just type in Cami extension and it will bring it right to you. So click on it and then it's going to open in the Chrome Web Store and all you have to do is click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension and it will automatically install it and put its button right here. Now that you have your Cami extension, I'm going to show you how you can take a long PDF packet and put it into manageable pieces that you can share with your students. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a folder that you're going to put your pages in. So just click New Folder and then title your folder whatever you want to and then create it. Now that you've created your folder, we're going to go get the packet and put the packet pages into this folder. So now just click the Cami extension and it's going to open up in a new tab and you'll see all the different options that we have. So what we want to do is take our really long PDF file and split it apart. So we're going to click Split and Merge. So now it shows us a place where we can add files and it says simply drag and drop. So I'm going to go into my File Explorer to my downloads and I'm going to drag and drop it into that box. But it won't take zipped folders, so make sure if you have a zip folder that you extract it first. So if you just click on it, you can click Extract All and then click Extract. Now it's going to open up that folder with the files that are all extracted. There it is. So now I want to take one of these folders and drag it in there. So in order to do that, I'm just going to click this button right here so that I can see both screens at the same time. Just open that folder, find your file, and drag it in there. It may ask you for permission for Google Drive. So if nothing seems like it's happening, look around and see if it's asking you for permission. It only does that the first time. So then click Next. And now it's going to start loading all of the pages. There are a lot of pages in this packet because it's designed to last for a long part of the year. So what we're going to do is turn them all into single pages that we can put in Google Drive so that we can assign just one page at a time to our students. So I'm going to click the button that says Split Pages, and then I want it to split every one page so that there is one page in each file. So then press Continue. Okay, so now you'll see that each page is its own file. And I'm going to upload all of those files into Google Drive. So I do that by clicking Export All. And this is exactly why we created that folder first, so that we could put it in Google Drive and put it in a folder. So I'm just going to click that folder and then click Select. Now I'm going to click Continue. And it's going to start saving all of these pages into Google Drive one at a time. You can even see it while it's happening. If I go back to Drive and I open up that folder, I can see them starting to come through. So now that you have all of your files in here, I'm going to show you how you can assign them through Google Classroom. So now I'm in Google Classroom and I'm going to just open up my class and go to the classwork tab. And I'm just going to create an assignment like I always do. So just click Create Assignment. You can title your assignment. Now click on Add and click Google Drive. Then find that folder that we made, and then you'll see all of the different files. Mine are in a weird order because they are sorted by last modified. You can change it to sorted by name, and then they'll be in order. So maybe it was this one that I want to assign. So I'm just going to click Add. You can preview it right there. And the very important part is to make sure that you click Make a Copy for each student. And now click Assign. So that's all you have to do. I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like from the student's point of view, just so you can see. But I also have an entire video that you can give your students that walks them through how to do it, how to get the extension, how to turn it in, and all of that stuff so that they know exactly what to do too. So let me log in as a student really quickly. So I'm in as a student and I see now that this practice worksheet has been assigned, and here it is. So your student would just click View Assignment, and right here they would click it to preview the assignment, and they'll get a button that says Open With, and they're going to choose the Open with Kami. And now it opens that file up right in the Kami extension. It gives them all of these tools that they can use to type their answers, to draw if they're little, maybe they need to draw or write their answers. There are shapes they can use. A lot of tools are available and free. So once the student does their work and they've used all of these tools to annotate their worksheet, then they're just going to save it by clicking the Save button and clicking Save Now. And they're going to go back into their Google Drive, kind of exit out of this preview window, and then they're going to turn it in right here in Google Classroom. So they would click Turn In and then click Turn In again. And now it is turned in and the students are finished and you can check their work. So the last thing I'm going to show you is how to check your students' work. So I'm back in Google Classroom on my classwork tab, and this is the assignment that we just assigned. And then so I can click on View Assignment, and here I can see the students and who has turned it in. So the practice student we saw, that was us, turned it in. So if I click on it, it's going to actually give me the opportunity to see the file that the student worked on. So once it opens, you'll see that the Kami annotations are right there too. So remember, that's the problem that we solved. And so you can see your students' exact work. You can return it to them or any of the things that you would do regularly with your Google Classroom. So hopefully Kami is something that you will consider using in your distance learning because it's free, it's super easy, and it works with all those amazing resources that you already have. So good luck.